Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, I'm on to the second piece of electronic equipment that's not working. The alternator is reading a dead short from the terminal to the case. Not right. I took it down to O'Reilly's and they put it on their bench tester, and it's reading 11.3 volts charge, so it's smoked. Glad that came off easy. I hate to bend this pulley. Been a long time since I had this off. Thought I would use these hollow sockets, but I don't have one big enough to go over that. So this band works. Not exactly how I envisioned it, but it works. I wanted to just use this pulley because it's a little smaller in diameter, would make the ammeter charge quicker, lower RPMs for the engine. But unfortunately, this is an A pulley and I have a B. The tractor has a B belt. that's okay. We'll get by. Well, that's not moving. No fun. No fun. Oh, they put thread locker on it. That's why. Put some 50-50 on it and see what that does. We'll give it a little time to sit there. There, we got her to move. Didn't have to heat it even. Oh. Once I put the pulley on, that'll pull that up. Scared me for a minute there. I thought, oh man, I got a problem. But it was just a little tweaking that needed to be done. There we go. right, good. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.